Hey there, HVAC and science enthusiasts. Welcome back to SR HVAC. Today, we are diving into a fascinating concept that's crucial in both chemistry and physics, enthalpy. Get ready for an exciting journey. But don't worry, we'll break it down step by step so you can get it without all the complicated jargon. So, what exactly is enthalpy? It might sound a bit intimidating at first, but it's really just a measure of the total energy of a system. Enthalpy includes internal energy, which is the energy stored within the molecules, plus the energy required to make room for the system by displacing its environment. In HVAC systems, enthalpy plays a crucial role in heating and cooling processes. For instance, when air is cooled in an air conditioning unit, the enthalpy of the air decreases, removing heat from the environment. This process involves the transfer of energy, which is essential for maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures. Practical examples include the use of enthalpy wheels in energy recovery ventilators, which help in transferring heat and moisture between incoming and outgoing airstreams. This not only improves energy efficiency, but also enhances indoor air quality. For example, in a steam engine, the enthalpy of the steam is what drives the piston to move. Or think about boiling water. The enthalpy change is what allows water to turn into steam and lift the lid of a pot. Now that we've unpacked what enthalpy is, let's explore some real-world examples to understand its practical applications. Imagine you're making a cup of tea. When you boil water, the heat energy, or enthalpy, is absorbed by the water, causing it to transition from liquid to steam. This phase change is a direct application of enthalpy. Another common example is in the food industry. When baking bread, the heat energy causes the dough to rise and the crust to form. The enthalpy change here not only cooks the bread but also gives it its texture and flavor. In the medical field, enthalpy is crucial in processes like sterilization. Autoclaves use steam at high pressure to kill bacteria and viruses, relying on the enthalpy of steam to ensure a sterile environment. By understanding these examples, we can see how enthalpy is not just a theoretical concept, but a practical tool that impacts various aspects of our daily lives. In HVAC systems, enthalpy is the total heat content of air or fluid, combining both the sensible heat, temperature-related, and latent heat, moisture-related. It plays a crucial role in managing energy flow, heating, and cooling loads within a building. Sensible heat. This is the heat that changes the temperature of the air without altering its moisture content. Latent heat. This is the heat involved in changing the moisture content in the air, like when air is humidified or dehumidified. Enthalpy is important because it helps in energy efficiency, ensuring that the HVAC system works optimally. It's used in load calculations to determine how much energy is needed to heat or cool a space. Enthalpy is key for energy recovery systems like ERVs, which recycle heat and moisture between exhaust and incoming air. Understanding and controlling enthalpy ensures better comfort and more efficient HVAC performance. Think of it this way. When you heat something up, like water or a gas, the molecules start moving faster, like kids on a playground after eating candy. Some of that energy goes into making the molecules move more. That's the internal energy, like the kids running around. And some goes into doing work on the surroundings, like pushing against the walls of a container, similar to kids pushing each other on swings. Enthalpy combines internal energy and the energy to push surroundings away. It's the internal energy plus the energy to move the surroundings. The formula is H equals U plus PV. H is enthalpy, U is internal energy, P is pressure, and V is a volume. For example, in a steam engine, enthalpy helps us understand the energy used to push the piston. So, why should we care about enthalpy in our daily lives? Well, in thermodynamics and chemistry, understanding how energy moves around during chemical reactions is crucial. When substances change, whether they're heating up, cooling down, or reacting, energy changes too. Enthalpy helps us figure out how much energy is absorbed or released during these changes, especially under constant pressure. This is key in everyday activities like cooking, heating, and cooling our homes. Let's talk about enthalpy change, the energy difference before and after a reaction. There are two main types of reactions you'll encounter: exothermic and endothermic reactions. In an exothermic reaction, like burning wood, the combustion of gasoline, or fireworks exploding, energy is released to the surroundings. The enthalpy of the products is lower than the enthalpy of the reactants, meaning the change in enthalpy is negative. Think of it like this. You start with more energy and the reaction releases that energy into the surroundings as heat. That's why these reactions feel hot to the touch. Examples include lighting a match, a campfire, fireworks, and even hand warmers. On the other hand, in an endothermic reaction, like the process of ice melting or photosynthesis, energy is absorbed from the surroundings. The enthalpy of the products is higher than that of the reactants, meaning the enthalpy change is positive. These reactions feel cold because they absorb heat from their surroundings. Now, let's bring it all together with a real-life example: boiling water. As you heat the water, you're adding energy to it. Some of that energy is used to make the water molecules move faster, while some of it is used to turn liquid water into steam. The energy you add is the change in enthalpy. In this case, we call it the heat of vaporization. Notice how the steam expands, pushing against the container. That's the work done by the system, and it's also part of the energy in enthalpy. Enthalpy isn't just something you learn in textbooks. It's all around us. From cooking to powering engines, understanding energy changes helps scientists, engineers, and even chefs optimize reactions and processes. Whether you are cooking your dinner or designing a new fuel, knowing how much heat is involved and how it's transferred is essential. In HVAC systems, chemical manufacturing, and renewable energy, enthalpy calculations are crucial for efficiency and innovation. Enthalpy is a measure of a system's total energy, including internal energy and the energy used to do work on the surroundings. The enthalpy change tells us how much energy is released or absorbed during a chemical reaction. Exothermic reactions release heat, negative change in enthalpy, while endothermic reactions absorb heat, positive change in enthalpy. I hope this video helped you understand what enthalpy is and why it matters. If you learned something new today, be sure to give this video a... Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting science content. Got any questions or topics you want us to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay curious. Let's keep exploring the wonders of science together.